create a stream from the existing data structures. Many ways were there. Generator was there, iterate was there, arrays was there. You can create from the array list. I had shown you. That's fine. So if I show you the examples, then thing would be more clear. Here. Where is my programs? Yeah, this one. No? The main thing which I need to show you is how to convert any list as a stream. So do you remember our study I was doing? Yeah. Like, I would only say feel it. No need to mark it, na, syntax and all. But when you do it again and again in codes, then we can use it. Yeah. So in memory, how it is going to represent, I may have diagram. It is. Oh my God. Actually, I may have many images open. Really, I can make a diagram. That's like here. This is my photo. In this, this is the array list. Savita, you know it, right?
Yeah.
In array list, first one is representing apple. Second one is representing mango. Then we have guava, banana, and grapes. That's you think like this. So if somebody would say, hey, where this data is, answer is this data is inside the Java virtual machine, inside the Java heap. In JVM, we have Java heap and there this data is. Then what we want to do is, I want to create a stream. Stream ko you can think as a box, right?
Okay.
So this stream is just another wrapper on it, which does not have its own memory, but underlying it is pointing to this. How you can create it? If you want to create a stream of, underlying data type, string. So what you can do is you can do streams. Savita, if you understand, then only you have to say yes, right?
Okay.
So there is in list, we have a method stream. So when you call this method, you have created another data structure stream, right? And stream is just representing the same data, right? And in the stream, you have many intermediate operation and many terminal operation, which can pull the data pointed by underlying stream.
What's the difference between for different types of intermediate or terminal operations?
Yeah. In terminal operation, will produce data by consuming your stream API. But intermediate operation can convert your stream one type to another type stream. For example, you want to convert your stream. This is every stream has a type that you have to remember, Sabita. Every stream has a type. This stream type is string. And you want to convert into another type. It may be stream of dog. You can do it, right? So here you are performing data on string. Here you can perform data on dog. So this is another intermediate stream. Are you following me? R. This stream is pointing to string small letter. You want to create another stream which will have data if you need in capital letter. This is another stream of string, Savita. But difference is this stream of string has data in capital letter. That's it. You got the idea?
Yes.
Now there is a many terminal operation, right? I can tell you some name like sum, count, for each, collect, many more which I don't know.
So they are all inbuilt functions, right?
Right. Functions you can apply and that will produce the data. But intermediate operations are that operation which can convert your stream into
Another type of
another type. Intermediate stream. Got it? And as I said yesterday, in one stream, you can only consume once. You cannot consume twice. And another, I said, you can use only one terminal operation. And that terminal operation you can apply in last. In one stream pipeline, you may have many terminal intermediate operation, and it must be in between.
Can you explain the pipeline? Just elaborate.
Yeah. Today, pipeline means you have stream with a couple of intermediate operation and one terminal operation. Let me show you this. Yeah.
There's only one terminal operation.
Yeah, one terminal operation that will be for sure. Otherwise, your stream pipeline will not work. Pipeline means you have multiple intermediate operations. Let me show you in this example. Pipeline. My intention is like I'm creating pipeline art. Like I have one stream which is just representing stream of string. Then I need another stream which can convert my all the Apple data in capital letter, right? So this is also stream of string. Make sense? Yep. But only difference is it is going to put everything uppercase. Like this is kind of assembly line. Every line has its own task.
Okay.
And I want to put another intermediate operation which is going to filter the data. You can apply some filter. You say, I would only allow those elements
which start with G, for example.
Oh, very nice. I want to allow only those elements which start with Z. That's correct. I have to create another stream, right? Right? So here, when you come, you can put some filter, which would say, hey, I'll only allow a element which start with Z, right? Done. So this is called pipeline, right? This pipeline will not operate unless and until you apply some
terminal operation.
So I'm going to apply some terminal operation, and terminal operation I'm showing with different box. Clear? So if you apply your terminal operation to print the data, that is called for each. Or if for each will say, hey, give me the data. So what happened? First of all, it will go and ask for the data. Apple will come. This apple will go here and it will be converted into capital letter. Then it will go and here it will be check. Hey, you start with G. It's saying no. I'm sorry, I'm not. So it will be rejected. It will not go to the for each loop. Here it is filtered. Then mango will go and mango will filter. Then guava. Guava will be bypass. No, guava will eventually reach over here. Got my point?
Yes.
Again, banana will go from here and banana will be converted to capital letter and it will be filtered over here. Then here you will get only guava and grapes. Let me show you the same thing in the code.
Okay.
I can do everything in one line. Here I can say this is string pipeline. Cool. But program, hey, this one. I need your help. Like here, I need to convert my list into
String first.
stream. Done. So if I represent, I'll make it shorter, right? Not like this. Nobody writes code the way I'm writing. It's not like that. Streams. And if I write here, though you say it is stream of string, right? Then you say, hey, I want to convert into a capital letter. For any conversion, we use map. Map is one of the intermediate operation. Sabita. And map take one input and produce one result. It is a function. So here it is going to take what? String, right? And you can call which method? To uppercase. Yes. So you will get, it will return another stream of the string in capital letter. Done. Now on this result, you can apply filter. Filter is another intermediate operation and it takes predicate. Asma, tell me what is the predicate?
Hello?
Yeah, what is the predicate? Predicate is a functional interface which takes one input, any type, but produce Boolean value. Which takes, Ashma, am I right?
Yes, sir.
One general input, but produce
Boolean value.
Boolean value. So here I need to write lambda. Lambda means it will take a string and here it will, produce Boolean value. So you can apply some condition T dot, as Sabita says, starts with Z. Remember, this is the lambda for predicate or not? Answer my question. It is taking string because here it is string, Ashma. String, and you are saying, hey, string, if you start with Z, return true. If it does not start with Z, return false, right? So for
Yes,
the
sir.
element which will return true, only those filtered data will come into this the output stream. Savita, you got my point? I muted you. Unmute and speak. So guys,
Yes, I'm following you.
okay, that's cool. Okay, you can mute yourself. No problem. So, the here, but it is going to work in the fly, right? The way I have shown you. So what you can do is here finally what I can use dot for each loop. In for each you can write method reference. I said you mug it. I hope you mugged it, right? I can write like this, right? Agar somebody is fan of lambda, so you can write like this. Am I right? It depends on you are fan of what. Dot println, but I would recommend you to use method reference. Got it? Done. But nobody write like this. Why? How you should write the same thing in one line? You make your list dot stream dot map
Yeah, map
dot filter, then dot.
for
This
each.
will come. This will come by the practice only. You cannot do in a day. But when you do the same thing again and again, again and again, again and again, then you can write it. Here we don't need stream by mistake. That's why it is done. This is called pipeline.
Okay, the entire line is called pipeline.
Yeah, this is called stream pipeline.
Because
in pipeline, this is doing something. This is doing something.
Mhm.
Means this is taking output from this, and this is taking output from this. But you think it will work one by one. First of all, FP will travel. After that, other element will travel. Done. Okay, Barsha, what about you?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. In this, how many intermediate operation we have?
2, 3.
2 intermediate operation.
Okay,
You're right. Okay, Savita, you were saying something?
yeah, so in line number 22, so can we still write T as in line number 20, or we have to change that variable?
Variable name doesn't matter in lambda. This is the parameter name. You can take anything.
Okay.
Are you following me? It doesn't matter.
So in the entire pipeline, we can use the same single variable, right?
Yeah. All are the local.
Okay.
You can actually it is local, so it is up to you. This is local variable, right? So you can give any name. Got a point?
Yeah, because I saw you changing the variable.
Yeah.
At some point in the statements.
I would say use same. It would be nice, right? When you are using T, to use everywhere T. But all T are different. This T is different and T is different because it is local to filter. It is local to map.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Like here with lambda and using all this, you can do anything. There is many operations. My intention is I want to convert my list into map. So you should know, ma'am, what is a map? Map is a data structure which holds. Who will answer this question? Who will answer this question?
Key and value pair.
Map is a data structure which holds data in key value pair. So can we convert this list into map? Yep. So you have to decide when final map will come, what will be the key and what will be the value. So we decided what this name will become key, and its length will become value. So like apple 5, mango 5, guava 5, banana 6, grape 6. Let's try. So if you want to do it, first of all, you have to convert this into stream, right? After that, I can use like if you want to collect into, actually I want to collect it. So you can use collect. Collect is a terminal operation. What? Terminal operation. I said, hey, what hey? This is my stream of string. So you want to collect all the data, you can use here we have a utility class collectors. What? In this we have a lot of methods, nobody can remember it. A lot of method we have. Oh, collectors dot, you can have a method in toMap. In toMap, both are the function. This is function and this is function, right? So you have to say what will be the key, right? Oh man, here I'm saying my T. My T means my string. Same T you return as a T. Got it? Yep. Hello. I said same T return T, right? Yesterday I wrote the same thing, function dot identity. Remember, to look it beautiful. Huh? So it is
Yes.
up to you. Either you can write TT. Here, what value you want to do? String. So I would say, hey string, I want your length. So you can write LNGTHNSA. Okay. So what it is going to return? Map. Which key you have decided already? String, and value will be integer because you are returning length. Aha, got it? Now, got it? Why he's crying? I haven't imported the map. That's the reason. Okay. Is not looking right. You can I'm telling you there is a for each for the map also, right? This you may be seeing first time, and for each takes by consumer. By consumer take two parameter. Okay. So यहाँ पे first parameter is key. Hello. If you want to, I can write na style say key and integer value, right? Yep. Then you can write the definition, guys. Tick essay. Yep. And sys out element is, please let me know if you understand. Element is key and its length is I don't know, you guys understand this much or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I'm able to convert my list as per my requirement, right?
What happened?
Yeah, so
Can we have for each attached to the same pipeline above?
here for each.
Yeah, line number 32. Can we just add it?
No, this one.
No, line number 34. Do we need that?
30. Yeah, we can do in the same line, right? Oh, you say you want to say I hate it, right? So no need to do that, right? I'm unnecessarily doing. You can put it here itself. Can you see this? Simple. Hello. What I did instead of putting it in the map, you can directly apply on it. Make sense?
Yeah.
So it is up to you, right? How you want. No? Both is correct. Done. Fine. But second one is preferred. You should do everything in one line. Yep. Done. Like here, you can write like this also. Yeah, you know very well. I'm just writing in one line. How to write in one line? All those things you can put, cut and paste here. Hello. You guys are good. Like here, in this, this is just a method invocation. What this is? Just a method invocation. Am I right?
Yes.
So what you can do is you can write same thing. You can replace S is string, so you can write string colon. You can write this also. Yep.
Yeah.
And why is giving error over here? I don't know. Oh, I think one bracket is missing. Yep. And what about this? I'm just thinking this is S. I don't know. Can we write identity I'm trying, but it's okay, I guess. It is not very special. I'm trying to call this static method. No, we can't do that. Why? I'm just thinking. Just
You need to get rid of this.
yep, nahi chahiye. The here I'm just thinking. Like here, it is not a method invocation, right? You are just passing the parameter, it's returning the same. So it is not a method invocation. Na? Agar if I do like this, to uppercase, guys, अब you tell me. In this case, my key, all the key will be in uppercase. देखो, you can print it. Like here, yep, and its length is this. Now what I can do is, in this lambda, this is just a method invocation. Now you understand what I'm trying to do is string colon. Done. Make sense?
Yeah.
Done. So this is the example of list and pipeline and converting. So you have seen many things in one. I have a lot of examples that you cannot mug it. You can just come to know by the practice only. So, and from tomorrow, I'll resume my session. Ashikullah, are you following me?
Yes, Nagin, sir.
Okay, that's great. I'm going to show you one interesting thing. I'll make it simple first, okay? I'm not going to show you the very complex thing. But it is okay. Let me give you the background. We have a class customer, and this customer has 3 attribute: name, email, age. This much is clear. Then we have parameterized constructor, and in this we do not have no argument constructor, right? Because core Java, if you write your parameterized constructor, JVM or compiler, help me. Actually, I got confused. Who does not give you default
JVM.
constructor? JVM. Okay, that's great. Any other answer? If anybody else? Barsa, what do you think?
I think it's JVM too.
Okay. Do you also think same? Good. What about Anup and other people?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Who gives the by default constructor? Java Virtual Machine? Okay.
Yeah.
Again, right answer. Okay, that's great. Okay. So answer of this question is, who provides you default constructor? Answer is not JVM, Java compiler. Hello. I hope you got it now.
Yeah.
JVM is only runtime, and compiler is all about compiling the program and generates a default constructor for you. Done. Okay, so hey, you guys remember this? I have to talk with everybody. Okay, slowly, so that who is Subham? Subham, you are new to this batch.
No, sir. I've been joining. I just missed first 3 classes.
Okay, so this is your 3rd class.
No, first 3 classes.
Oh, first 3 classes. So okay. You know.
Yeah,
So
I
no
just
need to
catch
do
up.
introduction because you know about me, right? Already.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. So let's start. Barsha, you come with me now. What I'm saying is, you understand? We have customer, and customer has 3 attribute: name, email, age, and parameterized constructor, getter and setter, and toString method. This much is clear. This definition you have to keep in your mind. Done? Yep. Customer name, email, age, parameterized constructor, getter and setter, toString method. Right? Definition is loaded. Done. After it, what I'm doing over here is, this is a off method, and this is factory method, which was introduced in Java. Which version? Only God knows. 8, na? Java 8. So what show? What this method is doing? Where is my program? You need to tell me. This method is creating a stream of the customer. Oh my God. This is another way to create the stream, right? Stream dot off method. Barsha, you got my point? Yep. Like earlier, you were creating stream of string. Now I'm creating a stream of customer. Got it? String is object, customer is object. Customer is your custom object. I hope I'm making myself clear. And in order to give initial state to the customer, I'm using parameterized constructor. So this line is clear to you?
Yes, it is.
Very nice. So I have a stream of the customers. But what I want to do with this is, actually, in this, we have.
And again, can I ask you a question here?
Please,
So
ask questions.
here, are we creating 5 streams from constructor?
I have a 5 customers, and like one way to create a stream is you can add all the customer into the list, and from list you can create stream of customer. But I am creating a stream of customer with the help of stream of factory method directly.
So it's going to be just one stream.
Stream, yeah. All the customer is going into one stream. Hey, you are stream of customer, right? So it means one stream will have only one type at a time. That's it. Customer type. Got it?
Yes.
Now, you know group by? Yep. Group by, you have learned, I think in Oracle session, I can group, right? Customer by age. I can group customer by email, right? So like here, how to group it, right? In order to group it, you see, I can use collect. Collect means I want final result. Then here we have collectors. This is very important, right? Collectors, but you need to understand my intention. Like I said, collector dot group by. I want to group by age. So here, Sabita, this is important. They you collect and group by, right? Here you can pass a function, functional interface. How? So C is a customer type, am I right? Why? Because the stream type is customer, that's why C type is customer. If it is string, then C will be string. Got my point? Then I'm saying, hey, return age, get age. You confuse, Sabita? In group by, what I'm passing, I'm saying, hey, customer, you have to be grouped by age. So what happened when you group by age, right? So the people whose age is 20, they will come in the same group. Am I right? The people whose age is 32, they will come in the same group. Yes, you know? Yeah. So group by return map, right? Group by return map. And what will be the key in case of group by? Key will be age, means integer, right? And what will be the value of it for the map? List of customer. Why? Sabita, think about it. Because multiple people can come into the same group. So if you have multiple customer, where you can accommodate multiple customer? In a list which is acting as a value for the map. I don't know, guys. I'm making myself clear here. Group by is doing what? When you do group by, it is returning map, and criteria which you are using in the group by, it will act as a key. And in group by, since you have multiple element, that will come in the value. Savita, you got my point or confused? So go here.
I got the point.
20, 20. So 20 will be key, and 20, whatever element we have, Lugo and Jack, that will come all together. That's it. So eventually, in this map, how many elements will you have? Only 2 elements. One is for 20, second one is for
3 actually. There's 1, 30, 12.
That's done. Okay. So you know how to print it. Everybody know how to print it, right? What you can do is, I can use for each loop. It's not a big deal. So in for each loop, our first element will be age, comma, second parameter is customers. Yes, and you can print it. Hello. What I did, I don't know. Customers, customer is here. That's why it's maybe conflicting. So you can use this. Now sys out age equals to age plus customers equals to. Ashikulla, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You understand this group by?
Yeah.
Actually, you have to just mug the syntax. Syntax nobody can remember. You have to do practice, okay? But group by we can do it, right? And group by is one of the most commonly used operation. Actually, here it is crying. He's saying, "Hey, already you have consumed." Oh, so that's why I'm going to comment it. So group by is clear to everybody. The group by is very helpful. I'm telling you.
Can we make another map inside for each and then take another for each in there?
Where? Inside this for each?
Yes, sir.
Yep. He's saying, can you apply for each on customer? Why not? In list, you can apply for each on customer, right? Yep. We know that, right? Yeah, Anna? That you can.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That was your intention. Yep. Done. Thank you, Anna. Here I'm printing my customers one by one. Makes sense. Na? Cool, right? I'm just going to show you one example of conversion. Na? That is also important. So do not take tension. Already you spend good amount of time. I would say, please daily do practice. But I'll make sure you will not forget it. Okay, that's my job. Because from tomorrow, like Java 8, I haven't taught you everything, right? No, it will take. I told you, right? 15 days, and you don't have time. If I teach you 3 weeks this Java 8, you will kill me. I don't want to die. Simple. Next one is stream based example conversion. This I'm going to use in projects. Basically, what my intention is, like you always come across entity, right? I have dog entity. You need to understand this. So I have dog, and this dog has, I'm not using private and all. I don't have time. Color and you can, guys. If you tell me if you think it is too tough, let me know. We have getter setter. Yep. ToString method. This is just cup of tea to generate it with the help of editor, and you can write the parameterized constructor. I'm not doing great job. You know already everything. So default constructor, I don't need it. Who generate default constructor? We know it. Java compiler. Oh, let me make it private also. Attribute should be always private as per the design principle of object oriented. My dog is crying. Why? Dog is already here. What I can take vehicle because dog is there. Vehicle is also there. No, it's done. No? Hello. Look, what I want to do is I want to vehicle data. I want to keep into other type motor, and motor has string color. No? Motor may have same attribute or different attribute, right? Model. Are you following me? The color will go in the color, and name will go to the model. Private. यहाँ पे date of creation, at what date time it is created. So generate getter and setter. ToString method. Constructors. Motor. You remember? Motor has three attributes: color, model, and so what is my intention? This we are going to use a lot in the projects. So basically, I'm going to use this syntax. I want to create a multiple vehicle. So here you can write vehicle, and here you can write vehicle, and vehicle has a name and color, I guess. Color is white. Name color. That's fine.
So is there other way to add to the object vehicle from stream, or is this the way?
No, there is many ways. Okay. Array, list, there's many ways. Okay. So you can create many ways. This is white. Pink already there, orange, and yellow. If you think it is tough, I can make it in different way. Right? You can create a different object as a layman. So you can do it, not a problem. Okay, I need to paste this is. Anybody have any query so far? No?
No, sir.
Okay, what my intention is, I want to convert this stream into this stream, and I want to print it. Means, my intention, you got it. I want to convert, not replying, I want to convert my vehicle into totally different type of stream, that is stream of motor. You got my intention? Nahi?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
One type
I
of
did.
string you want to convert into another type, so that you can perform operation on motor. So how you can do it? Like, in order to convert this stream into another stream, you can use a map. Map is used for the conversion purpose. Na? Map says, hey, I will take what kind of input? Tell me. Vehicle. Am I right? So यहाँ पे you can take vehicle type. Yes or no? Yeah. And what you can return, guys? You can return motor, right? So you can make an object of motor. No, in motor, your color will come from this vehicle color. Am I right? And model is just a name of it. You got to confuse. And date you can create yourself. You guys are not replying. Date object you can create yourself. You confuse? No. Wait, java.util, why is not coming? Yeah. 1 second. Now we are good. My dear friends, you got my point or confused? Huh? Map will return what? Here you have the conversion. Yes or no? Help me. Hello,
Yes,
everybody.
sir.
You are not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's returning.
Oh my God. Great. Huh? So, like in real life, actually, you will get a list, right? List of, actually, I would say we have list of vehicle. Let me make it simple. So now what you got? List of. You got it, this Funda? But why it not working? This is actually supported by Java 11 and I'm using Java 8, right? So you cannot use it. Oh my God. So
It's
how we can
add
do
or
that?
something.
Yeah. Actually, you cannot do it. In Java 11, we have this method. So let me do it Java 8 style. As a list. Yeah. In this, you can pass it. So like I'm creating a list. And this list, first of all, I can convert into stream. Then you can apply on the map. Got it? So I have list of, you're not replying. Like here, you have a list of vehicle, you are converting into the stream of motor. Then this motor you can convert into a list again. How? Using collect method. Collect it. You say, hey stream, I want to collect it. And here you can use collectors dot. This is most commonly used. Collectors dot to list. So eventually what you will get? List of A. You guys are able to understand what I'm saying? You got the list of motor. List of vehicle is converted into, if you allow to me, I can write everything in one line. Yep. How? Hello. Anna? This is done in one line. Sabita, you will see this code everywhere. You say, hey, vehicle list. Anna? One list, you forget the service layer. In service layer, we used to do this job. Right? I have my list and I'm able to convert into how? Vehicle, then convert a stream, then using map, then eventually I'm collecting back into the list. Oh my God, everything. Like, let me show you one more thing. This lambda is converting vehicle to motor.
Equal to
So
motor.
I can write a utility class and I need your help in that. Public utility. Don't take tension. This is first time for you. But it's not like I'm thinking and writing it. I'm not thinking at all. Right? I know already. And I'm teaching you whatever is going to use in the project. To motor. You want to write a static utility method which can convert. This is the method which can convert your vehicle into motor. How? I'm just writing utility method. It's not a big deal, right? Yep. Yes. Yes. You can write here class. Confuse or understand? Simple. I'm calling a method and I will say, hey method, I'm passing vehicle to you and you convert into motor and return to me, right? So my friend, instead of writing this much in this, right? What? This we can do it by calling this method. Sabita. Yep. We can do that, right? Same thing. Whatever we have wrote,
Yes.
same thing I move to my method. Why? Because I know in my lambda, it is just one method invocation. So what you can do? Hello? In lambda, this body has only one method invocation, this one. So you can replace with this. I'm using a lot in my code. A lot. Magic. Hello? Guys? Now you
Yes.
by calling terminal operation, you can. This was interesting. please go and do the practice. Here you can write. Now now I don't know. You guys understand this much or not? I'm printing all the motors. Done. This is most frequently used code, which can convert in one line one type of object into other type of object. Done.
So one question here, Nagin.
Yes, please.
Is it necessary to convert list into stream to get the list of other type? Because
Exactly. In Java 8, it is.
okay, we cannot have the list of vehicle directly converted to list of water.
Actually, if you remember, we were doing it, but you have to do as a layman by writing for loop, those things. But here you are doing everything in one line.
So stream comes there in picture when we convert one data type into another one.
Exactly.
List.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's making your code compact. That's it. And you will see whatever you can do in 10 lines, you can do in 2 lines or 1 lines only.
Yeah.
So if you lost, right, what do I have done? All don't worry about it. It will only come by the practice.
There's some kind of real life scenarios you can explain with this conversion from one type of.
Exactly. Actually, in your project, right, when you are fetching data from DAO layer, then you are converting into, in service layer, you are converting your entity into VO. Which one is your project, which I taught you? Let me show you. So I'm going to show the real scenario because I'm teaching you by considering that in my mind. Which project cubic MVC, right? I don't know, we have service layer or not. No. Actually, Sabita, I will introduce one service layer here, right? Then you need to do conversion. You remember? I don't know you remember or not. You let me show you in service layer. Can you see this? Actually, I will teach you soon. Service layer. Like here from database, you are getting security questions, Sabita. Yeah.
Yes.
List of security questions you have to convert into list of customer view, security question view. You got my requirement? This method is talking to the database and bringing a list of security question, and list of security question has to be converted into list of security question view, right? This I'm not doing with Java 8. Can I try with Java 8 if you allow to me?
Sure.
So what I can do is I'll call I'll take this and convert into stream. Then I will call map. So map will do what? It would take each security questions, right? And after that, you have to convert into.
Yeah. Security questions.
Yeah,
Yo.
this security
Yo.
question you are. So what you can do is, in this I don't have those kind of method. So you have to write the definition. No? So what you need to do? You have to do this. First of all, you have to make the object. And after that, this individual object you can copy into the security questions, and you have to return it. Why you have to return it? Because it is a functional interface. Done. So map definition will take security question and it will convert into question view and return it. Done. Then you can use collect method. Collect method you can use to collect eventually into another list. Hello. Collection name, collectors. Sorry, dot. to list. Huh? Like here, my job is done. You just return it. Sabita, no need to write this. And I'm telling you, even why I'm doing this. I can directly write over here. Can you see this? Yes.
I don't see your screen. Okay, it's now. It was frozen before.
Whatever I'm getting from database, another object converting into the stream, and this stream object I'm mapping into this, right? Actually, here we don't have. Like here, I cannot write method reference. Why? Because we have multiple line. But using mapper, I can make it more compact. You got my point? So this much code is reduced into only one line. No worry, we'll see again and again. Okay, no worry, guys. Got it? Tension. You just give a try. Whatever I have done, you just try. Okay. What like here, one thing is for sure. Whatever I am teaching you, it's not like whatever I know I'm teaching you. It's not like that. When I'm teaching, I have something in my mind. I know it is going to be used. Okay. I'm going to teach you a last thing for today. One more intermediate operation that is called sorted. What? Sorted. Sorted is an intermediate operation which can sort your data. So sorting, you know, let me show you. This is last example for today. Where my sorter. What I want to sort is nobody knows. I have shown you the example of group by. I'm going over there. I need your help. Nah? Thodi si, you have to help me. This is the last. Please don't take tension. I'm going to short it. Group by shorting. Nah? By customer. Sorting means yes. My friend, the customer, I need customer. You need to help me. Customer go, I'm just making T customer. Why? Hey guys, customer definition you remember, right? No. Somebody say no. Okay, don't worry. So I'm just writing T customer. It's okay with you? Hello? Everywhere we have T customer. Done. What my intention is? Your answer is I don't know. Here I want to short my customer. Sabita, you want to short on the basis of what? Name, email ID, age. Name. Okay. Like here we have one intermediate operation on the stream that is called sorted, right? And then you can print it. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. How to print it? We know. System dot out colon println. Hey, you understand? Benefit of this sort intermediate operation. But Sabita, when I run it, it will cry. Why? Because in customer you don't have sorting behavior. See the output? Hey, it is not running. Why? It's saying don't make me fool. Means but you are saying, hey customer, I want to sort you, but you don't have any sorting logic. Yes, you know? You forget your core Java?
Yeah, it doesn't have sorting logic.
Yeah. So sorting ke liye you can either write comparator. So let me write the lambda expression for comparator. You think only for today, okay? Two customer. Hello. Customer one, customer two. And here you are saying, I want to, sort it as per the name. I want to sort it as per name. Give me a second. Where is my WebEx? I can't see. Okay, now I can see. Like here, I want to sort it on the basis of name, guys, right? Like here, what you can do, first customer, comma, second customer. This is lambda for comparator. You have to mug it for today. What? This is lambda for comparator. We have to mug for today. So you need parameter, right? Lambda. This, like here, it is lambda for the comparator. You have to mug it. So यहाँ पे what I can write? Two customer. Nah? So you can write customer. I don't. This is core Java. I'm telling you. Somebody say not customer. T customer. No? You want to sort as per what, man? C1 dot, help me.
Get
C1 dot get name compared to, I don't know you remember or not. C2 dot get name. Actually, you are comparing the name. Done. So I said, what I said? I said this is the lambda for comparator, right? अब इसको if you want, you can write as a separate thing also. देखिए यहाँ पे. We'll talk about to next session about it, right? Comparator, T customer. You know, this is functional interface. You know functional interface or forget it? Yep.
remember.
Like you can check it, and this comparator you can pass it here. This you have to remember. The comparator is a functional interface. Are you following me? Functional interface. What it takes? It takes 2 parameters and return integer. So you can check it today. Comparator is functional interface. I hope you got it now. If you don't understand, I'll tell you tomorrow. Hello. And I'm not writing nicely, right? Comparator you can write very nicely. We have something very special into it, okay? Hey guys, what you need to learn? This is lambda for comparator.
Comparator.
Please, this is core Java thing. I don't know you have done collection framework or not, but you can write the same code very nicely. This is the old way to write, logic for it. We have, latest way to write the comparator also. There is some utilities. I think I don't know. I can find it or not. Let me check it. If I found it, luckily, oh, I got it. This program is there. Let me. I know it is too fast, but it's okay. I want to do that. Like in sorting, you can use comparator.comparing and you can pass the name. This is the simplest way to do it. Let me try. But it's all about mugging, right? I don't know everything. I'm also doing copy paste. So what you can do is the best way to short and do it. Instead of writing this much bigger syntax, what you can do right here, comparator, comparing, hello, comparator.comparing. Here you can write class name and you can just write the getter. That's it. It's looking cool compared to this.
Yes, sir.
Like you are saying comparator.compare, get name ascending order, right? But if you want to do descending, so here I think we have some reversed. Reverse means by name descending, right? If two name is same, then you want to short something. So we'll discuss in next session. Okay. Hello. You remember this is really very cool. I am telling you. You guys are not replying. We'll talk about right. Then comparing. Then comparing means if you are sorting with name and two name is same, then you can sort as per the email descending, something like that. Okay. In one line we can do. Okay, guys, I'm just making my session till here because you tell me if anybody has any question, query, please let me know.